3, 2, 1.
Sa Dino Maze Adventure, and Akiya will get in there. Yan. Dito kami sa loob ng Robinsons, and meron silang Dino Maze Adventure for Kids. So, ayan si Philtay and Akiyo. Medyo malakas yung sounds sa paligid. Ayan. Nagre-ready lang sila ng mga tickets nila. So, briefing muna kung para saan yung yung booklet na binigay. So, ayan, papasok na sila. Okay.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
Okay, are you
So
excited?
catch me if I fall.
You're excited. Dinosaur. Very big. Giant siya. So, ayan. Meron kasing pag-games yun na kailangan mag-stamp sila sa booklet na binigay. Ayan, kailangan i-stamp. Si Akiyo, nag-stamp na. Sinamahan ng daddy niya. Ayan, kailangan nila mag-stamp. Para meron silang balloon yata or may ibibigay sila pag napuno nila ng stamp yon, yung booklet. Ayan, ang saya din. Ayan guys, oh, si Philtay ang sumama kay kay Akiyo. Ayan sila. Ayan. Inahabol-habol sila ng dino. It's okay. Ay, nako nga, ang saya. And then, ayun yung ibang dinosaur. Tapos, yung mga mascot ang cute. Oh. Ito, very big ito. Ayan. Laki niya. Ayan. Ayan siya. Natakot siya sa dinosaur. Hi!
ไปด้วยเลยอันนี้ก็เรียกได้ว่าคุณแม่เนี่ยก็ได้ออกกำลังกายไปด้วยนะคะสำหรับน้องๆที่มีคนแข่ง
Or are you scared? Ayan.
เลยแค่ตรงนั้นนี่นะคะโอ้โหด้านนอกของเราเนี่ยเรานะคะเราจิ๋วของเรามันเตรียมพร้อมแล้วนะคะมากกว่า10ชีวิตค่ะโอ้โหเสียงดังฟังชัดนะคะคนขอรออยู่นะคะแล้วก็ต้องวิ่งหนีไดโนเสาร์ใช่ไหมอันนี้ที่ยาวของนะคะสนุกอ่ะเอาไม่ได้ลูกเอาเก็บบัตรนะคะเอาเด็กไม่ได้ใช่ไหมสาวเดียว
Okay, maghahanap naman sila ng bones doon sa may sand. Pero siya na lang yung makakapasok. Hindi na siya sasamahan ni Philtay. Ayan. Lagay lang muna sila ng protection sa kanilang foot. Foot cover. Ayan, foot plastic. Yay! Yan! Pasok na! Ayan, maghuhukay sila. Maghuhukay sila ng bones, pero mukhang iba yata ang huhukayin eh. Go find the bone. Come on, bones. Come on, find the bones. There! Yay! Nahanap niya. Hey, come on, you clean it. Dig it. Dig it more. Yay! Good job. Uh-oh, careful of the eyes. Careful of the eyes. Yan. So, nagdidig sila ng bones ng dino. Ayan, oh. Diba? Parang totoo lang. Pero actually, gawa sa, ano yan? Gawa sa, what do you call this? Styrofoam. Wow! You clean it! Nahanap na daw niya yung bone. Ayan. Yan. So, mamaya mag-iikot tayo kung anong meron pang iba dito. Ayan, may painting area din. Ito. Yan, pwedeng mag-paint. Yan. Pwedeng mag-paint and may mga chairs din dito for kids. Yan. Yan, pwede rin mag-avail ng mga t-shirts, yan, and mga ayan oh, mga tokens. Yan. Ayan, oh, marunong siyang mag-ano. Oo, don't follow her, anak. Hanap na. Sabi siya. Come on! Yan. Oh, so, lilinisan lang nila buo until ma-dig nila yung dino bone. Parang ganun, no? Yan. Na-dig na niya. Yan. Ayan. Yan yung mga tokens na pwedeng bilhin. May mga nag-a-assist dito. Yan. Dino eggs. Yan. Mga hilig mag-collect. Yan. So, dito ang entrance. Diyan. Yan ang itsura niya. And then, ito ang entrance. Tapos na sila. Natanggalan sila ng plastic na cover sa paa. See that? What is it?
Oh, the ball!
What?
Mom, I found the ball!
You found all the bones. Good job. And what will you do next? What will you do next?
I eat all the ball!
Yeah! Okay. Yan, may mga books dito. Brain Top. Yan, oh. So, may mga books for kids. Maglilibot kami and check kung anong pwedeng bilhin para sa kanya. Ayan yung mga books na pwedeng i-avail pero walang English. Mga Thai ang meron. Ang gaganda. So, gusto daw bumili ng book ni Akio. Oh no, ayan na nga tayo. Mapapasubot tayo dito. So, ayan, ang daming mga books dito. And activities na pwedeng gawin ng mga bata. So, paalis na kami guys. Papunta kami ng playground. Mag-elevator na lang kami papunta doon sa wala na, never mind. Mag-elevator kami papunta doon sa Okay, we're going at the playground. We're inside the elevator lift. Okay, which number are we now? 4. Okay, we're here. Yan, nandito na kami guys sa kids zone. Yan. Kaso may kanta. So, dito ko na i-end guys. Maglalaro muna kami and then bago kami magpunta ng seaside for us naman, for mommy and daddy naman. Yan. So, thank you for watching guys. Thank you for being with us, joining us here. Thank you and God bless everyone. Bye.